Welcome to Alchemy with Xerophayze. In this tutorial, we are taking an AI image that is already finished, enlarging it completely on this computer with ComfyUI, and saving a clean 4x result. You will see the finished comparison first, then the exact 3-node path, what every socket carries where the model belongs, and the limitation that keeps this from becoming a magic repair button. Here is the tested result. The original is 1024 by 1024 pixels. The local upscale produces 4096 by 4096 pixels. The composition does not change because this is not another diffusion pass. The model estimates additional detail while increasing the pixel dimensions. That makes it useful before printing, cropping, or preparing a larger delivery file. Start with Load Image. Its blue image output carries ordinary pixels. Choose the file you want to enlarge, then connect that blue output to the image input on Upscale image using model. This is a pixel workflow, so there is no checkpoint, prompt, latent image, sampler, or VAE in the graph. Add Load Upscale Model and select 4x Ultra Sharp. Its purple Upscale Model output connects to the matching Upscale Model input. The model file belongs in ComfyUI's Models, Upscale Models folder. If the dropdown is empty after adding a file, refresh the model list or restart ComfyUI, then confirm that the file is in the correct folder rather than a checkpoint folder. Upscale image using model now has both things it needs, the purple model connection and the blue source image connection. Its blue image output is the enlarged result. Connect that output to save image. The complete tested path is load image plus load upscale model into upscale image using model, then save image. Cue the workflow and check the save dimensions rather than judging only the preview. A 4x model multiplies both width and height by 4, so the total pixel count becomes 16 times larger. The file can also become much larger. Save it to a deliberate folder and inspect the full resolution output before using it for print. The likely failure is expecting an upscaler to repair everything that was wrong in the source. It may sharpen edges and invent texture, but it cannot reliably fix malformed anatomy, unreadable lettering, or a bad composition. Different upscale models also favor different material. Use a general model for a first test, compare another model when faces or illustration lines matter, and return to inpainting or a controlled diffusion workflow when the actual content needs correction. That is the whole local upscale. Pixels in, an upscale model, larger pixels out. Keep the original, compare the result at 100%, and choose the model that fits the image instead of assuming one model wins every time. If this helped, subscribe to Alchemy with Xerophayze for practical AI workflows that show the connections and the real limits.